Hello and welcome to today's 5-minute feature. It's quick little bite-sized videos that I put together for you. It's for the Alienated Dads Network here on YouTube and Mackenzie Friend in my pocket, crafted to help support you and guide you through family court with success, or at least drive a more positive outcome by using proven techniques that have assisted thousands of dads just like you to a positive and favourable outcome in family court. Better than they'd anticipated, at least. That's an impressive 82.7% of our service users over the last decade have shared this with us themselves. That's over 11,000 service users that I or we have supported through the family court process to a positive outcome. Now, if you can resonate with anything that I'm saying here, or you need support with anything, these videos are here to help you, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to switch the notifications on as well so that you can stay updated with any of our new content that we upload. And it's obviously all here to support you going through the family court with as with as much ease as possible, really. So in case you didn't know, my name is Jason Applewhatsit, and if you haven't been here before, or if you just stumbled across us accidentally, here is everything happens for a reason, that's for sure. And even if you don't realise it right now, it's happening for a reason. So don't overthink it. Just enjoy the moment. I'm going to give you at least three amazing mindfulness tips. If and when you implement them daily, you'll begin to see results within 3 days, I reckon. Especially if you set aside 2 hours a day. 1 hour is a must do for me. Ideally, every day. I get 2 hours in every day, ideally, but at least one. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that can significantly improve the quality of life by changing the way we respond to our thoughts and how we respond to our feelings. Here are 3 mindfulness practices that anyone can implement for free, or at least very minimal cost. No, for free. I think it's going to be for free, to help foster a happiness and combat those intrusive thoughts of sadness or negative thought patterns. Now, the one thing that I tell everyone to do, and one thing we always forget, I used to forget to do it all the time, is just breathe. Just breathe. Engage in deep, focused breathing. Breathing exercises are the cornerstone of mindfulness practice because they return your focus to the present, and they reduce the automatic response to stress as well. Now, you could try the 4-7-8 technique for immediate relaxation. So you breathe in quietly through your nose to the mental count of 4, hold your breath to the count of 7, and exhale through your mouth, making a whoosh sound to the count of 8. This method not only anchors you to the present moment, but also helps in calming the nervous system, making it easier to combat those negative thoughts. Now, this works really well because mindful breathing acts as the anchor to the present moment. Now, this method not only anchors you to the present moment, but also helps you in calming the nervous system, making it easier to combat those negative thoughts when and if they arrive. Because negative thoughts do happen. That's human. This works really well because it acts, like I said, it acts as an anchor to the present moment, cuts through the ruminative and depressive thought patterns that you have, reduces the relaxation response, reducing stress and creating a state of calm, mindfulness in which happier thoughts, they flourish naturally. They flourish much easier, at least anyway. Number 2 is what I do is I practice gratitude journaling. Often when our minds are clouded with sadness or negative thoughts, it becomes difficult to remember the elements of our lives that are positive and fulfilling. By keeping a gratitude journal, you can gently steer your focus towards the positive. Once a day, write down the 3 things for which you are really grateful for. Now, they can be as simple as a sunny day, a delicious meal that you had, or the support of a friend. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to notice and appreciate the good, nurturing happiness and the contentment instead of focusing purely on the negatives. Now, this works because the practice reorientates your mind towards the positive and abundance instead of lack or negativity. Regular acknowledgement of what is good in life changes your brain's default patterns, making happiness and contentment more readily accessible through thoughts. And the other one that is beautiful that I do, and I lose a lot of hours doing this accidentally, is I perform mindful observation. Now, this is a simple exercise that connects you to the beauty of the natural environment. Now, this can be particularly helpful if you are stuck or feeling stuck in a tunnel of negative thoughts. You can choose a natural object within your immediate environment and focus on just watching it for a minute or two. This can be a flower, it can be an insect, it can be clouds or a tree. Don't do anything except notice the things that you are looking at. Look at it as if you are seeing it for the first time. Now, this will visually explore every aspect of its formation, allowing you to be consumed by its presence and use this time to connect with its role and the purpose in the natural world. This practice can help create a heightened appreciation for the wonders of the world, pushing away negative thoughts as you move your attention to the marvel of life. These are proven, and I've seen it have a profound impact on the mental health of people I've been working with. It reduces the stress massively, reduces the stress and the fear and the anger, while increasing pleasant feelings. This practice helps withdraw you from the eternal narrative of sadness to a state of wonder and interaction with the world beyond yourself. Now, this is a beautiful thing because obviously it supports your mental health, like I say. It helps you withdraw from the sadness and the distractions and the negativity of the world, but it helps you to return to your authentic self. Implementing these mindfulness techniques regularly, daily, can have meaningful shifts in your own mental health, aiding in fostering a happier and more satisfying life experience. Remember, mindfulness is not about being everywhere else other than present. You need to be present there on the spot, appreciating the moment without judgment. By directing your attention to breathing, to gratitude, or simple beauty, you can craft a space where happiness isn't just possible, but it's accessible.